Okay, here's Parisian casino, so we're gonna go explore this, and yeah, we'll check out and see how busy it is. It's Sunday night, see what kind of activity we have. Step back a little bit. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we go in Parisian, and you can see definitely the tourists are back. I think it's predominantly mainland. It is, it's only, there's nobody else that's able to come in. Everybody else is not allowed to come in. Cities over there. But yeah, only mainlanders are, and you can see a lot of them have cameras, and the tourism is back. So yeah, it's pretty cool actually. So we got this beautiful Eiffel Tower. You can see kind of the glow all the way up. Then the Cotai strip, straight down that way. And then this is the Londoner, City of Dreams, Venetian's down there. MGM is way in the background over there. And then City of Cities over here, and then this is the entry point to so let's go up, check it all out. Entry point of Parisian, which is the one we're gonna go to right now. See how it looks on Sunday night. It's a COVID era, so suddenly I started seeing more tourists everywhere. You could see them all over the place down there, which is kind of new. Haven't seen many tourists in a long time. It's September 14 right now. Nobody is able to come in from anywhere else except for China. So that's what's that, once, how many is 8 billion people in the world, I think, and 1.5 are from China. Only Chinese people can come, no foreigners are allowed. So if you're a foreigner, don't even think about it. A lot of times people ask me, can we come to Macau, or when can we come to Macau? I think they say like 2021, mid 2021, so maybe in another year. It's been closed already since March, so it's already been about 6 months. But yeah, foreigners are not coming in. I'm here, luckily, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going, I can't go anywhere. The only foreigners that can come in is if they have a residence card, but if you have a work visa, you cannot. A work visa is like a blue card. It means that you have the right to work. Some of them have apartments, but they just happen to go to Hong Kong that weekend, or they went to, you know, Thailand or somewhere because the COVID was a little bit scary. So some people went there with their families or whatever. Then they got stuck and they couldn't come back, and it's been that way for 6 months. So just letting you know. But yeah, the mainland Chinese can come. They can come and go anytime they want. And yeah, a foreigner cannot. So so any foreigner that you see in Macau in any of my videos that's in it since March, they live here. And some might be tourists. Anyways, let's go in and go check out Parisian. I don't want to keep going on about that. But yeah, this is the entrance part. There's the Eiffel Tower right there. So we have to do a little scan, so we'll come back once we get in. Okay, we're in Parisian. I see people around here too. I haven't seen people in here in a long time either. Maybe like even a year ago, you cannot get a single, if you want to get a photo with just you and this, you need to stand right there. There's always gonna be someone like right next to you everywhere. So this is actually but this whole year 2020, because of COVID, yeah, you don't really see anybody around. Pretty cool. We kind of forget the culture that's in different countries. I've been living in Asia for so long, so I'm used to you know, Buddhist temples and Confucius statues and things like that. I'm Guanyin. Yeah, seeing this kind of stuff kind of reminds you of like Poseidon, I guess, or Greek stories and all kinds of cool stuff. It's interesting. Interesting how much culture, and all this kind of European, Parisian in particular. So this big, yeah, let's see. Yeah, you're kind of starting to see more and more tourists. So it's Let's go to the shops. So we're gonna go straight up this way. So we're coming up the stairs here, and then we're gonna come into the Parisian right here. So so this is the Parisian. I guess it'd be the second story. The ground story would be below. So this would be the first story, I guess. So this is kind of walk through. At the moment it's about 8:30, and the casinos do get quiet at this time. So if this looks quiet to you, it's because it's, well, it is COVID still, for one. But I do see a little bit of tourism though. So it's not like it's closed. It's still going. But like when this is full on, it'll be different. But this casino is always a little bit more quieter than Venetian. Venetian and Parisian are almost the same ownership. They just have a different theme. So this one, let's see. Yeah, definitely have tourists. Yep. Yeah, it's interesting. It's kind of cool. So straight ahead we have Elise, which is a French bakery. And this bakery has branches all around the city, but they're much bigger than this one. This is kind of a quaint, small little one. Looks like it's closed at the moment. Then we have that beautiful up there. Looks pretty cool. So this lobby has this nice little dining area with this French bakery. And upstairs is a food court. It looks like they're closing up. Usually when I go up to the food court recently, it's always been pretty empty. But this is a nice food court though. And you got the ceiling. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking down, and then might go up to that food court. But at least you're kind of getting a view of the Parisian. Kind of trying to walk a little bit different ways. Sometimes I have a habit of walking in the same stuff when I come in here, so I try to film like maybe once every 3 weeks, maybe sometimes every 4 weeks. And I'm sure it'll get busier as time goes by. Macaron. Let's see here. Celebi. Here's a lotus place. Okay. So we're gonna go up another escalator. I'll turn the camera on when we get up there. They actually call this level 5. It's actually, there's like a ground and then there's the next one above it, which I guess they must do like 1, 3, 5. Maybe there's a secret floor of like 2 and 4. I don't know. Yeah, they call this level 5. But actually we just went up 2 rounds. Noble Mart. And this is where we just walked through in a little while ago. So that's that kind of French bakery that's way down there. And then floor below. And then this one I like to go through because this food court has really beautiful coloring. And it's also closed. And also just, you know, COVID era stuff. So there's nobody here, nobody there, nobody there. So it's so all the tables are spatially distanced. So you can see they removed half of the chairs. There's not really that many customers anyways, so it's not really a problem at all. And you guys see even this chair just has one table with one chair. It's kind of interesting, right? It's a beautiful lobby. And got the beautiful ceilings as well. Just gonna fade through it all. And we're just gonna walk down to the end and then I'll probably end this video. But at least you get a feel for Parisian and see how it's doing at the moment. See, it's you see some more tourists than before. But some of the shops are still closed. But it is at like 8:30, so they start to close around this time. Let's see. So we're gonna fade away in a minute. This used to be a Vietnamese restaurant. Taste Yue. So that's the whole food court right there. Pretty cool. Looks like that's where the hotel guests come from. This is Yui, Taste Yui. Then we're gonna end it over here, I believe. Okay. We're gonna come over this way. And we're gonna end it in a minute. There's a Japanese ramen. This is a really good ramen restaurant as well. Let's just see. That's that space, and then we'll just show you this space real quick, and then we'll end this video. And that's where we'll end it, right? We'll end it right there, I guess. No, we'll end it right here. These flowers. Right there. Perfect.